Social media is a powerful tool for growing your business, driving traffic to your website, and keeping your followers in the loop. And because a lot of businesses are doing social media well, effective social media management is crucial. You can't just log into Twitter or Facebook and post a few updates if you want to make the most of the social web. The updates you schedule need to be consistent and on brand across all of the networks you're targeting. Plus, you need to understand the content and campaigns that work best for your audience so you can duplicate that success in the future. Social media management tools allow you to manage your entire social media presence from a single interface. These services simplify every aspect of managing social media, from scheduling updates to generating reports and engaging with your audience. Does your company have pages on various social platforms? We know the problems you're facing. Most importantly, we can solve them for you. Introducing Postoplan. Postoplan is an all-in-one automatic marketing system for social media and messengers. No limit on the number of accounts. Plan, publish, and manage content for free. Changing the game in social media and messenger management. Unlimited number of accounts. That's right, you can add any number of accounts in social networks or messengers. More than 700 post ideas in the calendar. Looking for a newsworthy event? Open up your Postoplan calendar, choose among several ready-to-use news hooks and share it with your subscribers in one click. Not only social networks but also messengers. There are not only standard social networks but also messengers in Google My Business. We are the first in the world to communicate with your customers and grow sales. Postoplan enables you to plan the content and communicate with your followers and clients, all from one convenient interface. Effective scheduled posting in social networks and messaging apps. Effective scheduled posting in social networks and messaging apps. Eliminate stress. Postoplan will notify you of the status of each scheduled post or message. No need to worry whether your post has been published or not. Save time. Scheduled posting with Postoplan facilitates a well-organized workflow to free up more of your precious time. Automate your work. For example, configure messages informing your followers of special deals to be published every Tuesday morning. Our software will do the rest. Automate your work. For example, configure messages informing your followers of special deals to be published every Tuesday morning. Our software will do the rest. Create content easily. Postoplan features samples and templates of scheduled posts and news hooks for every day. Content creation has never been so fast. Do you have several pages on different social platforms? Postoplan knows the problems you're facing. Most importantly, they'll help you solve them. It's your all-in-one automatic marketing system for social media and messengers. It lets you add an unlimited number of accounts, choose from 700 plus post ideas, schedule messenger posts, plan content, edit photos, and a lot more. By grabbing this lifetime VIP deal, you'll get Postoplan's advanced features with no ads at all. Automate social media marketing and focus on gaining more traffic with Postoplan. Postoplan is award-winning and trusted by 15,000 plus internet professionals and companies from 140 countries. Unlimited number of accounts. Add any number of accounts in social networks or messengers. 700 plus post ideas. Select from several ready-to-use new hooks for every day. Networks plus messengers. Create automated scheduling for WhatsApp posting. Communication. Plan the content and communicate with your followers and clients. Super editor. Edit your photos or have Postoplan do everything for you. Postoplan is a smart social network marketing platform that allows you to create, schedule, and promote content. Getting started with Postoplan is simple. Just add an unlimited number of social media and messenger accounts to your dashboard. Agencies can divide social accounts into different projects to keep things organized and easy to manage. From there, you can use the post filter to find a specific post or message from any social media or messenger accounts connected to the platform. Postoplan also has a powerful photo editor, so you can edit your social graphics from the same platform that you use to schedule and post them. In addition to the regular graphics editor, you'll also be able to use the step-by-step constructor to add elements like text or banners to your images. Need image inspiration? Just use the large graphic library to find high-quality images to incorporate in your content. With Postoplan, you can keep everything as combined on one dashboard, so you can provide faster responses and better service. The unified inbox lets you read and respond to any messages you receive on Facebook in a snap. You'll even be able to respond to comments and brand mentions on your Facebook and Instagram business accounts. Not only can you read and respond to messages on social platforms, but you can also respond to messages on different messenger apps. Plus, you can post in groups or channels on Telegram and update Google My Business account, all from your Postoplan dashboard. Searching for a good social post idea is like searching for a piece of hay in a stack of needles, or something like that. When you've run out of good content ideas, Postoplan picks up the slack and offers content suggestions from a bank of over 700 post ideas. Just pick one of the ready-to-use ideas from the calendar and share on socials with a single click. Jumping between individual social media channels is about as efficient as eating sandwich ingredients separately. Good thing Postoplan lets you plan, schedule, and manage your posts and conversations all from one dashboard, so you can simplify your social media. Streamline your content strategy. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Postoplan today. One-time purchase of $49 only.